In this video we shall continue discussing count function, and now we shall see how to use it with conditions. In the first task here we have to show how many copies of books are taken by subscribers. So the expected result may look like this, and here is the solution. Once again, it's still similar for all three DBMSs. Here we use our count function, here we put the field name. So the main difference from previous cases of count usage is this. We use where keyword, we put our field name here, equals yes. That shows us that the subscription is active, so the book is taken by a subscriber. In the next task, we have to show how many different books are taken by subscribers. The result may look like this, and please pay attention that this number is not the same as in the previous task. Here is the solution. Once again, it's similar in all three DBMSs. The main difference from the previous task is this distinct keyword here. How does it work? Imagine two books with identifiers 5 were taken by some subscribers. In previous case, without distinct keyword, the count will produce the 2 value here. But as long as we use distinct, those duplication is eliminated and the result is 1 here for that book. So that's how we count different books taken by subscribers.